Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the app is available and signed in. Open Start or Spotlight, type sticky notes or stickies and launch it. If you want syncing, sign in with your Microsoft account now so notes travel with you. Once the app is open, create a new note immediately, press the New Note button or use the keyboard shortcut. This gets you into content quickly and explains how the app ties to your account for later access. Now create and organize. Click New or press Ctrl+N to spawn a note instantly. Use colors to signify priority and give each note a brief title or first-line label so you scan faster. Resize the window to fit content and drag notes to other monitors or snap them to screen edges. Once organized, group related notes together or stack them. This reduces visual clutter and keeps the most important reminders in reach when you work across apps. Finish by using Search and Sync. Type keywords into the app to find anything and rely on sign-in to keep notes across devices. For permanence, copy content into a document or export text before clearing notes. If notes disappear, make sure you're signed into the same account and that the app has permission to run, restart the app, and check settings for sync status. If that fails, sign out and sign back in. This often forces a resync and restores missing notes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.